Lebanon's Hezbollah stages multi-drone strike on Israeli outpost in Golan Heights. Lebanon's pro-Iranian Hezbollah militants said on Monday it launched a multi-drone attack on an Israeli air defense outpost across the border in the Israeli-occupied Golan Heights. It said the rare attack, in which it deployed 4 drones, hit their target with accuracy in what it said was another operation in support of Palestinian resistance groups in Gaza area. Lebanon's Hezbollah launches drone attack on Israeli military barracks in Syria's Golan Heights. Hezbollah says one of its fighters killed in cross-border clashes with Israeli forces. The group said that 4 drones had struck the Killa barracks, 15 kilometers from the Lebanese border in the Golan Heights. Hezbollah said its fighters also targeted the Jal el-Alam site across the Lebanese border with appropriate weapons, resulting in direct strikes. It said the rare attack, in which it deployed 4 drones, hit its target with accuracy in what it said was another operation in support of Palestinian resistance in Gaza. Israel captured the Golan Heights from Syria in 1967. Hezbollah and the Israeli military have been exchanging fire along Lebanon's southern border since October, when Hezbollah launched rockets at Israel in support of its Palestinian ally Hamas. Israeli strikes had been mostly limited to the southern border region of Lebanon, although they have edged further north. In recent weeks, Hezbollah last month said it fired rockets against the targets in the Golan Heights. The armed group has used surface-to-air missiles on several occasions since October 7 to target Israeli aircraft. It has also launched its surveillance drones, mostly into northern Israel. There was no comment from the Israeli military on the claim. Separately, Hezbollah said one of its fighters was killed in cross-border clashes with Israeli forces. In another development, Lebanon's state-run national news agency reported attacks by the Israeli artillery as shelling and airstrikes in the border towns of El Hameims and Jebain. There were no reports yet of casualties or damage. Tension has flared along the border between Lebanon and Israel amid daily intermittent exchanges of weapons fire between Israeli forces and Hezbollah, in the deadliest clashes since they fought a full-scale war in 2006.